Big ass. Anyways. Do you not see the dangly dick? This is you. And this is the guy she tells you not to worry about. Cut the video. You try downpipe time?
Yes. So when pulling all the pipe?
What a beautiful people. Killer and I about to take off all these protectors on the bottom. Look at that. Shout out R-Line Racing for the oil cooler protector. All the other plastics, they're gay. Too much work, too many bolts to take off, but we're gonna do that and then get back to after that when we're about to be installing the pipes. Look at that Mishimoto. There's a good deal online for a Mishimoto manifold plus like the port injection, but I'm gonna have to get the rail separately. But the manifold looks pretty good, so I might order that and single turbo kit at the same time, but we'll see. Basically, I just saved you guys like 40 minutes by not recording anything from underneath. We basically got everything loosened up on the bottom, took off all the plastics, took off whatever that is, and now downpipes are loosened from the bottom. Now we're loosening from the top, and they should just. Is that right? Yep. This is what makes the Audi boys run. Any Audi, you know where to find me, look.
Wait, you're supposed to... Brother.
Loosey goosey. You know what they say? You know what they say? The tighter the berry, the sweeter the nut. We got the O2 sensor. Okay, brad. Yep. V-bands. That's the death of me, bro. I'm not even partaking in this anymore. So here we are playing with our pipes, да? Расскажи для всех наших русских подписчиков, что мы делаем?
По-моему, мы творим какую-то херню.
Почему?
Но мне так кажется, предчувствие.
Не думаешь вставиться?
Вскрытие покажет.
Херней занимается, да?
Опа, есть.
Ну вот, почему, что? Скажи мне.
Все, иди платину добывай.
Pipe me. What do you mean?
Ну там же платина.
Платина?
Конечно, в катализаторах платина.
Том, а чем? Что проблема? Нет проблемы.
Rock hard.
Ты рак?
The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. The blacker the berry, the... Got me working and stuff. I don't do this, bro. I got a freaking slave to do this for me. We lost Killer, basically. We ate and then now he's gone.
What you doing?
Tightening the O2 sensor with my fingers. You hear me? So, done.
Get out! Let's go find this guy. That's us on a new quest.
Boom, 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 boom.
There he is.
He's making package shipments to Ukraine. Tap in for the Telegram. Telegram.
Oh, shoot. Never mind.
We're shipping methamphetamines over to Ukraine, right? Готов? Будете покупать? Methamphetamines? Отправляем. Я уже закрутил O2 sensor. Basically, we're like 95% there. We're basically just gonna tighten the exhaust, get the squiggly dick on, and then Там наверху уже все загружено, да? Everything's tightened. O2 sensors are in. А я O2 sensor еще не закрутил полностью. Я рукой только. Не помню, но it's okay.
О, голова пригодилась.
Ой,
Подожди. Убирай ты отсюда камеру. Прям в лицо.
Вон. Все, я держать нормально буду.
Beach drum, right, Oscar, right?
Right? Just from picking up. I'll cut it out. Sorry.
Nah, it's good. Yeah. She's gonna be famous.
With all that forehead.
Bro.
Вверх, вниз,
You know,
лево, право.
when you're doing her like that, you're doing me like that.
Подожди, ну отойди, ты не отвлекай. Подожди.
Вот он, вот.
Что-то не закрутил, что-то не...
Твоей камерой. Ушел уже.
Ты спросил меня.
Все, actually no, don't. Keep it up.
Brother.
Wasn't doing much anyways. Our main salesman went to Mexico, right? Put it on me. Main salesman went to Mexico, and I think I've done more in a week than he's done in a year. I sold like 40 cars already.
Good job.
It's just, it's the smile.
Smile for me.
You're a dick. Go sit down.
Let's show your smile. Let me show your smile, ready?
Yo, what?
Smile with your teeth. Дело делается. Понял. We have commenced.
Все будет хорошо, не переживай.
Опа.
I'm not even gonna help this guy anymore.
You like?
Little does he know. Private jet right back there.
Ladder.
No, I'm gonna put it in a picture.
It would be because he's giving you the exhaust back.
Who wants a hole in their block? Hit me up for services. I just you saw it.
You don't even need that hammer, right?
Yeah, I just need my.
Alright, bro.
Last night.
Can you?
Okay, I'll cut that one out. I'll cut that one out. The last step of the puzzle. Now all we gotta do just start it. They're in. All the plastic's back on. Start it. See how it sounds. Drive it. Our master tech. Kidil. Back to what I was saying. He's just tightening the O2 sensors up here at the top, and then she should be good to start.
Come on, get in the car.
Alright. Hold
but why just